Okay, alright guys, so first of all, let's download Ubuntu 16 04 LTS. For that, I'm gonna go to the browser and I'm gonna type Ubuntu download 16 04 LTS. Alright. We're gonna go for 64-bit right here. Okay, it's downloading right now, and if you scroll down, if you want to download any old version like 20 or 18, you can just search for old version. Yep, right here. Yeah, so you can see 24 is the latest, so I'm downloading 1604. Alright, it's going on, downloading at 10.7 Mbps. So what's the space? Okay, we have around 804 GB. Cool. And the specs, stop. 24 core, 32 GB RAM. Yeah, this is what I have. I'm going to close it, and I'll pause for a while it's downloading. Where is, okay, here it is. Alright, download has been completed. We have it right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start VmWare system tools, VM player, and I'm going to create new virtual machine. ISO file, where is it? It's right here in the download folder. Next. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Let's remove this space so that we don't have any issue later on. Home VmWare 16 into 16 64, but okay, let's put 16 underscore. Alright, next. Maximum store into single. I'm gonna make around, say, 100 GB. No, 100 GB is too much. 70 GB is good enough. Now let's make 100. Okay, 100 GB. Customize hardware. I'm gonna make around 8 GB. 8 GB core. 8. I'm gonna make it 12 core, 8 GB. Okay, let's make it around 10. Well, what else? Net. Okay, 16. Finish. I'm gonna close all of them. Close this as well. Remind me later. Alright. Okay, installation is going on. Okay, I'll let it install for a while. अच्छा, मम्मी अभी तक शायद नहीं मम्मी पे। अच्छा अच्छा, अभी टाइम 3 बज गया ना, मतलब घर पे तो शायद 1:30, नहीं 12:30। हाँ, बढ़िया है, गुड। हाँ, कर लो सबमिट। मैं जब तू कॉल कर रहा था मैं रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा था, कुछ कुछ ट्यूटोरियल बना रहा था। मेरे रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है स्क्रीन। हाँ तो ये कब डेडलाइन कब है? हाँ हाँ हाँ। हम्म। All right. Okay. So what do we have? We don't upgrade. Okay. We don't want 18. Uh, done with the installation. Okay. What next? The first thing that I would like to do is I have some steps which I've so I have some steps which I've recorded. So first thing first, let's update the system. Okay, this is the problem with the Ubuntu, is it? Man, I'm not able to paste. Okay, I think I understood what needs to be done. Okay, let me pause for a while. Alright, so I've downloaded some important files. Let me organize this first. New folder. I'm gonna name it as RISCV toolchain PULPINO. I'm gonna paste it right here. Alright, Okay, so this was the file, I guess. Yep, I have all the commands right here. Where is the VmWare? Right, okay. 1 2 3. Okay, let it update. Upgrade. Why? .3 Mbps. Okay. Why it keeps on disconnecting, man? Okay, let it finish downloading, upgrading. I mean. Pause here for a while it's upgrading. Alright, we are done upgrading. Okay. Okay, created this folder right here. Okay, then let's install. Let's add this as well. Nope. Stop. Alright. Come on, man, what is this? Okay. Yeah, we have allocated 12 core and around 10 GB, which we can see right here. Let's close this. Okay, what's next? Git clone recursive. Cool. Let's download. Yep. Terminal. Okay. 13 GB. If we go to this link right here, yep, so this is the one that we are running. this is the command we are running. I think it's gonna take some time. Did I note down the time? Yep, 15 to 20 minutes and around 1.1 GB size. Right now it's 3:45. Okay, let's see how long it takes. Okay, it's using at least 3 core. Wow, just required 1.2 GB to run Ubuntu. That's cool, man. I didn't notice this. Okay, let it download. We're gonna wait. I'll pause for a while right here, at least for 15 minutes around. I'll resume it once it's done. Okay, see ya. Alright, it's done. So we have cloned the toolchain right here. What's the next command? Okay, so these are the essentials. All right. Done with this. CD right here. Then we're gonna configure the toolchain. Okay, did we create this toolchain install folder? We didn't. We're gonna need to create this folder right here. Let's add it here. mkit. Okay. Yep. Now we have them. Then after that we can go right here. Then we can run this command. Why is this happening? Okay, so now we can make compiling the whole toolchain. Okay, this has to be filled up, and let's see how long it's gonna take. All right. Meanwhile, I'm gonna do something else. While compiling, let me pause for a while. Once it is done, I'm going to resume it again. Still going on. Let's see how long it's gonna take. It's already 4:01. Wow, it's gonna be a very long video. Okay, what I'm gonna do is okay. I'm gonna classify while it's installing. Right. So this is number 1. That is cloning. Okay. Let's make it cap. Then number 2. Number 2 is config and then make dependency. Okay, dependency install config and make. Right, config and then make. Cool. What's this? Okay, this is once the toolchain is test, I would say toolchain. Third will be let's see. this is the executable. Test toolchain. Alright, and then what else? We have to export it, then we can run directly like this because the linker is missing, so we have to point to the linker and then .x file right here. Okay, cool. We're gonna test this. So this is compiling this particular .c file using a cross compiler RISC-V right here. So we're gonna test this once it's downloaded. How is the installation going on? Okay. What next? Okay, this is number 3. Just nothing but testing. Alright. Okay, this is the original toolchain from RISC-V. So okay, so the difference is this is a toolchain modified by Pulp group from ATS Zurich, and this is the original GitHub page of RISC-V toolchain. Okay, you can download this as well parallelly while it's installing. Let me close this, close terminal. PULPINO RISC-V toolchain. Alright, cool. And then let's clone this. Okay. I'm going to need a command to recursively clone this particular directory. Okay, let me paste right here. Forgot to put like the one we have here. I'm gonna put the recursive command right here. Where is that again? Okay, here. Save it, copy again, paste it, run. Okay, let me delete this for time being. Okay, cool. It's cloning. much space we have utilized here. We did allocate it around 100 GB, right? Yep. It has already used 12 GB. has been already 15 minutes. I'm gonna pause for a while right here. It's still going on. I don't know how long it's gonna take. We have no choice other than waiting. I'm gonna pause again for a while. Okay, at least we are done with the cloning of the RISC-V cross compiler, and we are still compiling the PULPINO cross compiler. Okay, what's next? This is 3. I'm gonna name it as 4 right here. 4. It's the RISC-V toolchain. Okay. It's the same thing, but it's RISC-V toolchain PULPINO. Yes, PULPINO RISC-V toolchain. Cloning. All right. Okay. I'm not gonna install this one because we're not gonna use it, so let it be. I just downloaded, but I'll install it later on. The next would be number 5. Okay, no. Okay, let's make a clear distinction right here. Okay. Cloning. Done. There should be 5. Then number 6 will be config make. Okay, I don't have test here. Okay, so I can put it later on. I'll just leave it blank for now. This will be number 6. Okay, the microphone was off for a while, it seems. CH mode +777 Modelsim. Now it's executable. Let me copy this and paste it right. This will be after downloading. Okay, // whatever the file name. Okay. Yep. Even the installation is done for the toolchain, the PULPINO toolchain. Okay, let's install this as well. Modelsim. I'm gonna go for the free version. Accept the license. I'm gonna install in the default location, that is at home. I'm installing 20.1. Okay, so while this is installing, we can test toolchain. Okay, finished. Yeah. So which one should we test first? Let's test the Modelsim. To run, we just need to export this particular part right here. Okay, then vsim. Okay, let's make a folder called okay, test. All right. So I have to cd this, then make directory test, cd test, then export, then finally vsim. Then vsim. Okay, so we have our Modelsim right here. File, new project. Okay, let me create two files quickly right here. The test directory. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just to test, let's go to meta. Come on, man. Try. Okay, I'm gonna bring this in. Counter clock, blah blah, counter register, positive adds, and reset 0 count. Okay, cool. Let me copy this and then paste it here. What? Why is it saying it's not available in your country? I do not understand. Oh, maybe, okay. Okay, where was I? Alright, I was not able to copy this. Copy, paste, save this. Then I'm gonna need rename test bench as well, underscore tb. Okay, cool. Folder Modelsim underscore test. Let's put it here. All right. Paste right here. Paste right here. Where is the Modelsim file? New project. Project name counter. Okay, add existing rows, this and this, open. Okay, close. Compile selected. Fail. Why does it fail? Count. Assign posets. What about this? this is error. On which line clean near clock. Line number 3. Is it something to do with the logic? This should be registerment. Most probably this. Properties. Use system verilog as well. Okay. Compile. So this is system verilog. Wait, I already changed. So this is what I want to check. Yeah. So that was system verilog keyword. Compile all. Okay. What's wrong with this? Okay, I have to do the same thing. Properties, verilog in system, use system verilog. Compile selected. Okay, successful. Cool. So what we have here is a counter, 4-bit counter, just to test the Modelsim clock reset and counter. And this is the logic right here. Every positive edge of clock, it's going to count. If this reset, it's going to set this register to 0 if this is true. So this is active low reset. Then if not, then it's going to count every positive edge of the clock. Cool. Compile all and compile with no error. We have to make sure the system verilog is set, because the word logic right here is a keyword for system verilog. I'm going to compile again. Okay. Alright, so once it's compiled, I can go to library and then the work, and we can go to the test pans. That's the module name. If you go here, this is the name of the module, and I can click simulate, and I can select them, all of them, and add wave. Then I can run for 100 picosecond. Nope. Wave. Okay. So let me just zoom in right here. So from first 0, 1, 2, it keeps on counting. Can we change the radix? Okay, yep. Let me choose decimal. Yeah, so 4-bit it can count to 7, and then it comes the negative value binary. So it should be unsigned. Yeah, 10. I want to run further. 15. Then it resets at 16. So 4-bit 0 to 15, and then 0. It will keep on looping. Yeah, that's all for testing the Modelsim. I'm going to close it. Yep. Alright. Okay, next what we're gonna test is the toolchain, right? The PULPINO toolchain. Let me close this browser, minimize this browser. We are here. There's the toolchain. Okay, this is the one. Test toolchain. Okay, here it is. Okay, I'm gonna make a folder right here. Install. Okay, this is the installation folder, and then this is test. Test. Cool. I can close this one. I can close this one. Close this as well. Okay, where is the test? Yep. Paste here. Oh. CD to this particular folder. No. To this folder. Test. Okay. Then export this particular. Is it correct? Total bin. Yeah, it's correct. So basically what we are doing is we are exporting this particular binary file, the GCC RISC-V cross compiler. Where is that? Yeah, this is the one. Paste here. paste again. Alright, so as I mentioned, this is the executable file which we're going to export. I won't create basrc file for now. Okay, let's I think it's better to create it actually. Yeah, let's create it. So where were we? We were in the toolchain test, new document, empty document. I'm gonna paste it right here and save it, and rename it as basrc PULPINO. Alright, I'm gonna copy this and then paste it right here as well. Okay, cool. And then paste it toolchain test. Okay. Yeah. So gedit, then basrc PULPINO, then you copy and paste this. So okay, test. No, I'm not able to paste anymore here. Okay, for now it's fine. I'll do it later. Gedit basrc PULPINO, then paste. Similarly for the Modelsim as well, in the test folder, right here, cd test. Alright, so okay, I'm gonna source this basrc file, then I'm gonna run, let me run directly this command. Okay, so before even running, let's see whether we can see the toolchain with RISC-V GCC. Yeah, so it's exported successfully. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create test.c include stdio.each void main printf test 111/n. Alright, so this is the C file, then come on man, RISC-V GCC test. Yeah, the same issue because we need to link this linker file as well. Where is it located? It is located in the, okay, let me point to that directory. Put a new tab, GNU. So this is the one, the LD file, and the other one is right here, lib LD scripts. Okay, so if you go here, inside the folder lib gcc this, this is correct, install elf. Okay, install this one lib ld script and one of the x file elf32 RISC-V. Yeah, this is the one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this and then paste it, copy, paste, call, can delete this. Then where was the other one? This is the file, copy this, paste right here, put some space, can delete this as well. What's the command that I'm giving? Let's check again. Test LD. Yep, it's correct. This is what I'm missing. Minus capital T. Minus capital T. Yep. Now we are able to see a.out.slash. It won't compile obviously because it's not an executable for x86 architecture. We're gonna need QEMU or Spike to run this, to emulate RISC-V and run this executable. Alright, there was command, elf command. What is that? Elf. Read executable file. Come on. What was it? Read. Okay, elf a.out. Yep. Options elf file. Notes reload unwind dynamic version file header. Okay, minus 8. elf minus 8. Yep. If we see the wiki as well, executable and linkable format. Yep. The magic number. F followed by elf 45 40C 4C 46 in ASCII. These 4 bytes constitute a magic number. So basically 7f followed by this. All right. What else? Okay, so we have first for byte, then the next byte is either 1 or 2, okay, to signify 32 or 64 bit. Okay, here it's 1, so it signifies 32 bit. If it is 2, then it's gonna be 64 bit. So right now we compiled for 32 bit, if you remember. So the config right here, so it's for RV32 IMC architecture, multiplier and seek compress. Okay, what else? The byte is set to choosing a little, or okay, cool. Even the next byte, and then the 6th byte right here, original current version of ULU. Okay, then the 7 byte, system V. Stratus arrays free BST. What is this? Identify the target operating system. Okay, then yeah, it goes on. So yeah, so this is the header. All right, now we have tested this as well. Read ELF minus H edo out. Where was this? Test once. Okay, read ELF minus H e dot out. Then after export we can check which, then this one, all right. I guess we are done for today. So we have installed, we have downloaded, so the conclusion is we have downloaded PULPINO toolchain, we have cloned it, and we installed the dependencies, and we install the config, and we make it, and then we test the toolchain, the PULPINO toolchain. Similarly, the RISCV toolchain, we have downloaded it, and we didn't install it because we're not going to use it. If you want to install it, we can do the same thing. And yeah, with this architecture, I think we did the same configuration for the PULPINO toolchain as well, as you can see right here. Then we installed Modelsim, and we test with very simple counter. Yeah. Then what else? Yeah, we can, next will be, this is number 7, and this will be number 8, Modelsim test. This is number 8. next will be this number 9, which is cloning the PULPINO RTL and its testbench, so which we're going to do it later on. Yeah, we have lots of things to cover. I'm gonna stop right here. We're done with till 8. Yep.